Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open your Jeep Wrangler gas cap. First, locate the fuel door on the driver's side rear of your vehicle. Before proceeding, always ensure your Jeep is parked safely and the engine is completely turned off. Unlike many vehicles, the gas cap on a Jeep Wrangler is typically not integrated with the central locking system, making it straightforward to access. Now that you've located the fuel door, the next step is to release it. Gently push on the rear edge of the fuel door. You should feel a slight give, and the door will spring open a small amount. This action disengages the internal latch. On some specific models, you might find a small indent or a subtle handle designed to help you pull the door open more easily. With the fuel door open, you can now access the gas cap itself. To remove it, turn the cap counterclockwise. As you twist, you will hear several distinct clicks. These clicks confirm that the cap seal has been properly disengaged. A helpful design feature is that most Jeep Wrangler gas caps are tethered to the vehicle, so you won't misplace it while refueling. Once the gas cap is removed, you can proceed to insert the fuel nozzle into the filler neck and begin refueling your Jeep. After you've finished adding fuel, it's crucial to secure the cap properly. Turn the gas cap clockwise until you hear at least 3 distinct clicks. Finally, close the fuel door firmly, ensuring it latches securely back into its original position.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.